In this video, we'll take a quick tour of Blackboard, in particular the useful stuff on the homepage, and a look into how your academic units might appear. Once you log into Blackboard, you'll see this landing page, which I'll quickly dissect to show you some points of interest. First, we've got Tools, which shows you certain tools that some of your units may be using, such as announcements made by your lecturers to let you know what is going on, a personal calendar you can use to organise your studies and track assignment due dates, and the My Grades tool, which will show you your assessment marks and feedback for all your units as they are released to you. Next, we've got Useful Links, which includes links to web pages such as the ECU Library and Student Info homepages, and collections of academic tip sheets on topics such as effective writing, APA referencing, and managing stress. The third section is Important Announcements. These announcements over here do not relate specifically to your units, but are university-wide announcements where you might learn about new support services or technology-related announcements. Finally, on the right, we've got your actual enrolled units. Before we go into one, notice that this right column is divided into two sections. Academic units are up top, with My Communities below. This My Communities section is definitely worth exploring, as you'll find Blackboard sites relating to your overall school and course, in addition to other things such as academic skills resources. Now we'll scroll up and have a look around inside a particular academic unit by clicking on its title. Note that your units may look different than this example, but even if the specific menu names here on the left are different, there should be some common areas and headings which are used to make navigating around more intuitive. We'll start at the top with the Announcements tool, which your lecturer will use to send messages out to the whole class, such as welcoming you to the country, reminders about assessments and guest speakers, and anything else the lecturer wants to inform you about. Under this tool is the first heading, the Start Here area. The menus within this section might have a video or some text from your lecturer welcoming you and giving you a bit of an orientation to the unit. In this area, you will also find a unit plan document. You will want to download or print this document and refer to it regularly, as the unit plan contains an overview of your activities and assessments. The next heading along is Study Zone. Here you will find your lecture notes and recordings, tutorial documents, digital readings, and library texts. Oftentimes, these learning materials will be arranged within folders corresponding to either larger topics or modules, or else they'll be broken into weekly folders such as Week 1, Week 2, Week 3, and so on. An important thing to mention here is that you may not see too far ahead into your materials, so it is vital that you come by the Study Zone often to make sure you don't miss out on any newly released materials. The Study Zone is also where you will find important tools for communicating and participating in your class, such as discussion boards and wikis. The next heading down is Assessment, and there are three really important things you'll be doing here. Firstly, this is where you'll find your detailed assessment outlines and info documents. Secondly, this is where your lecturer will have placed any online submission boxes, where you will come to submit your work via tools such as Turnitin or Blackboard tests. Thirdly, you can come here after your lecturer has marked your work, to check out your marks and look through your detailed feedback. The final section on this example unit is called Finding Help. It not only contains your lecturer's contact details, but also links to ECU student services and other services dedicated to helping you develop study skills such as essay writing and correct referencing. You will also find links to help sites about using Blackboard and other technologies. That concludes our tour of the Blackboard homepage and this example site. Take just a minute now to go explore your homepage and units. By doing so, you will learn more about what your studies will require and about the services you can call upon.